Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really looking forward to just running through 3 very simple vocal exercises with you. These vocal exercises are for everybody to access, so don't worry if you feel that you don't have any experience. Mostly what we'll be doing is focusing on our breathing at this time. Singing is one of the most positive things that we can do, individually or together, and when we sing together it's really super powerful. Alright, well let's get started on those 3 exercises that we're going to do. First of all, we're going to do some breathing. So for this exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in through one of our nostrils, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then out through our mouth for 4. And then in between each set, we're going to have a break for 4 counts, just so we can recover a little bit because we're just starting out. Okay, I've got some great music to play. Here we go. Let's get started. So I'm going to breathe in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, then wait, 2, 3, 4. Other on nostril. Just waiting and getting ready again. Let's do it one more time. Very good. Alright, so this next exercise is quite fun. What we're going to do is we're going to listen to a beat and we're going to try and make a grrr sound. So the idea is to try and roll your R. Don't worry if you can't do this at first. Again, it just sometimes takes a little bit of practice to get your tongue rolling, but stick with it, okay? So the beat tempo is quite fast. What we're going to do is we're going to breathe in for 4 beats, then we're going to wait, so it's like we're pausing, and then we're going to grr for 4 beats. Then breathe in for 4, wait for 4, and then grr for 4. Okay, let's give it a go. This exercise is inspired by Lizzo and Missy Elliott from her song Tempo. Okay, so you're ready to go. There's the tempo. We're going to breathe in for 4. Are you ready? So breathe, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 2, 3, 4. Grrr. One more time. Breathe for 4. Wait. And grrr. Excellent. So quickly while we can, we're going to breathe in for 8 beats. Then we're going to try and grrr for 8 beats. Are you ready to give it a go? So breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and grrr. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and grrr. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grrr. Excellent. So you can just play that track as many times as you like and have a practice. So this is the last exercise for today. We're going to just do a very simple humming exercise, and all you need to do is just follow along because I'll do it a couple of times. Alright, so the backing track is here, and we're going to just start on C, and we're going to just take little steps up and then come back down. As simple as that. Alright, just follow. That's the best thing. So that's our starting note. 2, 3, 4. Step up. Step up. Up. We're going to stay here. Step down. Back to the beginning. Good, it's as easy as that. So let's do it again. That's our starting note. 2, 3, 4. So start here. Step down. Good. We're going to do it one more time. This time I will just sing and I won't speak. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Thank you so much for joining this vocal session. Before I go, I just want to let you know that if you sing out loud with all of your heart for 20 minutes a day, it does amazing things for you. It releases oxytocin, which will help you basically feel better and feel happy, and it will reduce feelings of sadness and worry. So it's really, really easy for you to just make a very short playlist of 5 or 6 of your favorite songs, and every day you can just sing them for 20 minutes and have a good time and enjoy the experience and enjoy the release of oxytocin, especially during this time of social distancing. So thank you again, and I can't wait to see you.